Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a watermelon made of paper. Start by gathering your essential materials. You'll need 3 colors of construction paper: vibrant green for the rind, bright red for the fruit, and a small piece of white for the inner layer. Don't forget your trusty scissors, a reliable glue stick, and a fine-tipped black marker for those tiny seeds. A ruler and pencil will ensure your cuts are perfectly straight. Now let's get cutting. Take your green paper and cut a large circle approximately 8 inches across. This will form the outer rind. Next, from your red paper, cut a slightly smaller circle, about 7 inches in diameter, for the juicy fruit. Finally, create a white ring, about 1/2 inch wide, to separate the red and green layers. Time to assemble our paper watermelon. First, carefully apply glue to one side of your white ring. Position and press it firmly onto the center of your large green circle. Next, take your red circle, apply glue to its back, and center it precisely on top of the white ring. Press down gently but firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure all 3 layers are securely bonded. For the final touch, grab your black marker. Draw small, teardrop-shaped seeds about 1/4 inch long and scatter them randomly across the red flesh of your watermelon. You can draw anywhere from 20 to 30 seeds for a realistic look. If you want to display a slice, simply fold your completed circle in half and cut along the fold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.